Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I wanted to show you this brand new 2026 Bennington. This is a 23S. This is actually a SSB for a swingback, but it just came in this week. It has the nice Blackout package, Luxe package, with the Blackout railing and the skirting all the way down, along with the metallic silver and a smooth panel. And then you have the smooth paneling, got the accent as well in luminous blue, which is a matte finish. So it looks really good together. Come around back, let me show you a little bit more about the boat. One thing you'll notice when you come around back, you'll see the enormous extended deck. Bennington has the largest extended deck in the industry. It really comes out a long ways, gives you a lot more room to move around on the back of the boat. It's got a nice ski tow bar back here in the back that's bolted through. Has a 1,500-pound limit, as well as you got the lily pad ladder back here. It's spring assisted here with a strap, easy to pull into the boat. This boat is powered with a Mercury 250. Plenty of power for all your water sports or cruising on the lake all day long. Let's jump up the boat and take a look. Hey guys, up here in the bow of the Bennington, let me show you the new chase loungers that are facing forward here. Got long benches, got plenty of storage underneath. All your storage underneath here stays dry because everything is channeled here and it drains out of the boat, so no water gets inside of there. This has the Serene Soft Touch Gray vinyl, along with the patented Syntex from Bennington. As well, here's you got a area for a trash can. Over here on the other side, pretty much the same thing, but plenty of storage all the way through. You got cup holders underneath. This has the 80% cutout, so it gives you a little bit more room to sit in and put your things on the side if you want to put your cell phone or anything like that. You got a centerline table here too, easy to store away if you're not wanting to use it, or it's easy to keep up and have lunch on. With the new S models this year for 2026, they have a fiberglass dash system here. So this comes with this is the new Luxe package actually that has the new windscreen here, along with your new dials here that's recessed in here, and then you got a Garmin, 7-inch Garmin. You got tilted steering. Like I said, this boat comes with the Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth and all your soft touch buttons here as well. A nice plush captain seat, which slides forward, backwards, reclines. You can spin it around and talk to the other people in the boat with you, so you have dual captain's chairs. This has the swing back, so it's a nice sitting area back here. And then if you ever want to get out in the back and just lay out in the sun, anchor out in the cove, this is a great place to do that. A lot of entertainment space back here. Like I said, with the extended deck, you can move all over the place and be comfortable with everybody. This boat has a 10-foot bimini top as well, so you got plenty of coverage from the driver all the way back. If you want to see this boat in person, please come visit us here at Greenville, South Carolina at the MarineMax.